Hey guys, I noticed I got a problem with my MTD 46-inch riding mower in that there's tons of play in the steering. Look at this. That wheel is not moving. It's terrible. So we're going to take a look at that real quick, see if we can figure it out. And it becomes pretty obvious. So first of all, if we look at this, this is the steering arm that comes from the steering wheel. If you look at this, you can see there's a ton of play right there in that little ball joint. It's not tightened down at all. And then also here where it hooks to the spindle, there's a lot of play. So this bolt here needs tightened down to fix one problem, and we're gonna have to tighten down that ball fitting as another one. And then, you know, if we put the steering wheel straight, we might have to adjust this nut here or something to get it aligned properly. So let's do that. All right, first thing we're gonna do is tighten this down. This should be a 13, I believe. Yep, should be a pretty easy thing to do. You want that tightened onto the spindle first. There we go, let's look at that. Yeah, that's not moving much anymore. That's good. All right, next moved on to this ball joint here. And I think all we need to do maybe is tighten this little grommet underneath there, but I'm not sure. We're gonna try that first and see if that does the trick. It's clearly moving. So we'll see what we can do with that. Okay, first we're gonna turn the steering wheel this way so we can get something on it. Let's try a 14 wrench, huh? Yeah. That's it. Unfortunately, it's turning the whole thing. So I'm gonna have to get another one on top here. And I do believe the top one's a 13, so let's try this. Yeah. All right. How about that? I've still got some play in there, but it should be better than it was. I'm not sure why I still have play, but and not much probably I can do. Oh, okay, I just found another place where there could be a problem with play here. So down here, here's the big steering gear under there, if you can see that. I don't know. All right, see that big gear? Down here where it hooks to the linkage, right in there. So you can see there's a lot of play in that bracket. Maybe we could tighten that down a little bit too, so we're gonna try that. Okay, we got, you know, this one other thing in here, down here. This, I think this bar is called the drag link that goes to your steering arm. And there is, if you can see it or not, there is a nut that goes over a shaft. And this drag link, I think it's what it's called, has a hole in it, and there's a bushing that goes in it. And mine was pretty well balled out and destroyed. And so it was causing a lot of play in the steering right there. There's still a little bitty bit, but it's a 3/8 inch bushing, and it's a lot better than it was. So that's another thing that could be the problem. I've replaced it, and so now my steering is pretty tight, which I'll live with that. I think there's still supposed to be some play in it anyway that doesn't come out, so good deal. So maybe that'll help you guys out next time you jump in here and decide that you're steering too much. That's all. Take care.